Bayad muna, mamaya na. Oh. Tel, talo tayo. Sige ka na.
Happy birthday, Manong Amboy. Ay, bulog na yan. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Oh, Manong, amo mo na. Ito nagawid ak. Kaji handam nga pato. I-reserva maajay may isa. Para niya. Tapos, agsyat ta. I love you. Enjoy your day. I miss you. Stay at home. Stay safe. God bless you and your family.
To you. Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, no Amboy. Love you.
Nung happy birthday. Happy birthday, Manong. Ingat.
Hello, Insan. Happy birthday. Susunod nga ka na yun, ha? More birthdays to come. Talaga may Edsel. I love you.
Happy Father's Day. Happy birthday. God bless. And happy Father's Day. More birthday to come.
Son, happy birthday and happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day. God bless you, son, and your family.
Kablaawan da ka boy, iti aldaw nga panagkasangay mo, ket karkararagan da ka, tapay kumatagtultuloy ka, iti panagserbim iti apo, ken iti agtultuloy nga panang narabay iti Diyos iti si Bubukel nga pamilyam. We love you boy, happy birthday.
Hello, partner. Naimbag nga oras mo, partner. Muna kablawang kay ti napatig anagan ni Apo tayo nga Isu Kristo. Nga iso ti mga aywan, kit mga tartarabay kada tayo amin tinalo daw. Kastamit ka lang iti si Bubukel a pamilyam, sakay kumata dadang nga nasayaat. Happy birthday, partner. Wish ko lang, partner, kay sapay kumatay tultuloy mo iti garamit iti naimbag, tultuloy mo iti panagserbim kinapo Diyos. Awan ti sabali nga kamangan tayo itata nga tiyempo, kin iti agnanayon no di iso nalaeng. Wow, pastor. Yung hanyang angaw. Silang partner, happy birthday. I love you. Basta, happy birthday, partner. Mortawin mo.
Thank you, Lord, for all the blessing that He give us and for our family. Stay as you are and healthy, be healthy, be healthy, be healthy, okay? Take care of your health, because health is wealth, okay? So, try kong kumanta. English. Hindi ko alam kung nangon ko lang ito kay Crystal Ford. Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I love you, Lakay. I love you. Happy birthday and happy Father's Day. I love you. Sana magpatuloy ka pa sa pananampalataya kay God, at nagpapasalamat ako kasi nga naging daan si God sa mga blessing na pinagpapala niya sa atin, at sobrang thankful ako kasi nga napaka maunawin mo na hindi ka na masyadong high blood. Hindi ka na nangaaway. So, peace. We love you. Hindi ka na kumakain ng marami. Hindi. Okay lang naman na kumain ka ng tama lang, diba? Kasi nga, health is wealth. I love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Amboy. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Miss you.